My aim over here is twofold. One is to convince all of you that you need a mobile solution. And the second is to convince you as marketers that technology is actually not that difficult. Anybody, a layman, can actually have it indoors. You don't need a team of 100 IT professionals to have your own mobile solution or a technology solution. To begin with, let me just talk about the global mobile phone trends. So a report in 2012 that was published said that smartphones globally have reached the 1 billion standpoint. Now, this 1 billion number took 16 years to come. There is another report that says the next 1 billion are going to come in the next 3 years. So you can imagine how the whole smartphone industry is growing. A bit more about smartphones from the UK, where I spent the last 10 years. 80% of new phones sold today are smartphones in the UK. People look at their smartphones 150 times a day. And by the way, only 9% of their time on their phones is spent on calls. The rest is on applications, on internet, on WhatsApping, on Facebook, all other things. Coming to the Indian market, we have 900 million phones in India today. Smartphone penetration is very low. It's about 12, 13%. However, that's growing. In 2012, we had 12 million smartphones. And smartphones are your BlackBerries, Androids, and iPhones that were sold. But this number was 6 million the year before. So there's 100% year-on-year growth. Comparing the 9% UK number of the time spent making calls, in India, that number is only 25%. So again, 75% of the time is actually spent on doing things other than using your phone for phone calls. Now, let me come to the technology part. And I would do this similar to what Sudhirji did by showcasing it in a different industry. And this industry is the UK retail industry, where we are providing products right now. And the reason to showcase the UK industry is because gone are the days when we were followers. We used to wait 3, 4, 6 years for technologies to become widespread in the UK and US and then bring them to India. We have reached a stage where we need to do this right now, and we can do it right now. Everybody has a mobile phone today. You will be losing out if you don't have your own mobile phone solutions. And these solutions can range from anything from sending in personalized offers to having your own mobile phone applications. What we are doing here is developing mobile phone applications for saloons like yourself. Again, coming to what technology stuff do you need to get this sorted? Nothing at all. Everything is so easy these days. Sudhirji talked about the cloud. We have a platform that's for sale for everybody. What does this do for you now? Why is this different from the emails that you send out? Why is it different from the SMSs that you send out? And the answer is simple. It is selection-based. Your customer is selecting your application. Your customer is selecting whether it be the Affinity or the Javed Habibs. You are downloading that application because you want to be related to it. You're open to getting offers from it. You're open to getting messages from it. And hence, you will be more engaged with it. And that's one reason why we feel that having your own application works there. What we also provide is, or what you should be looking at when you go in for your solution, is the analytical ability. And again, when we talk about analytics, you don't need a mathematician to do it for you. This is all nowadays being provided by technology. And what do I mean by this analytics? So you need to know who are the customers who are coming in, how loyal are they to you? Have they visited you for the first time, or are these the ones who are coming every single month to you? Who, during exam time, are you getting students coming to you, or are they the working moms who need a massage because they have been stressed for their children's exams? So all this sounds simple, but not many of us are doing this today. So what can we do with these analytics? Once we have this information, we can send out personalized offers. Sending out an offer saying 20% off on everything is very different from sending an offer to a working mom saying that you want a head massage, we are giving it to you at half price. It makes a ton of a difference. Lastly, what we can do is do feedback. Again, we spoke about feedback and the value of it. We need to act on feedback. Collecting feedback is simple. Acting on it is difficult. How often have you called back people who have rated you more than 8 on a scale of 10 and said, thank you for giving that feedback. We would like to acknowledge that. We would like to treat you to something. Similarly, how often have you actually reached out to people who have given you negative feedback and taken the opportunity to correct that? All this is now possible through your mobile phone.